Welcome to this tutorial on how to use ShopPay Credit 2025. ShopPay is a convenient and secure way to make online purchases with a line of credit. To get started, you need to have a ShopPay account and be approved for ShopPay Credit. First, make sure you are eligible for ShopPay Credit by checking your account status on the ShopPay website or mobile app. If you are eligible, you can apply for ShopPay Credit, and once approved, you will receive a credit limit. To use ShopPay Credit, simply select ShopPay as your payment method at checkout on supported online stores. You will then be prompted to choose ShopPay Credit as your payment option. Review your order and credit terms. Then confirm your payment. ShopPay Credit offers flexible payment plans, allowing you to pay for your purchases in installments. You can choose from different payment schedules, such as paying in full at checkout, or splitting your purchase into monthly payments. To manage your ShopPay Credit account, log into your ShopPay account and navigate to the credit dashboard. From here, you can view your credit limit, payment history, and upcoming payments. You can also make payments and update your payment schedule as needed. Best practices for using ShopPay Credit include making timely payments to avoid late fees, keeping your credit utilization ratio low, and monitoring your credit score. By following these tips, you can use ShopPay Credit responsibly and make the most of this convenient payment option. In conclusion, using ShopPay Credit is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By understanding how to use ShopPay Credit and following best practices, you can enjoy the benefits of flexible payment plans and convenient online shopping.